here's John with the weather.
Thank you very much. Well, it has been a lovely day so far, and this is why we've had this area of high pressure extending right across the British Isles, and it's kept us fine and dry for most of the day. There has been a little bit of patchy cloud, although most of it has stayed away across the northern parts of the country up towards Scotland. There has just been a little bit of patchy cloud down across us as well. But as we head through in towards the evening time and overnight, we will see that start to disappear very quickly, and it will lead us into a very dry, very clear and a cold night as well. We might just see a little bit of mist just begin to form through towards the early hours of the morning, but for most of us, a dry, clear and cold night. Temperatures just touching freezing across the western parts of our patch towards Northamptonshire, but for many of us 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. Cold enough though for a touch of ground frost just about everywhere, with a fairly light southwesterly wind. Looking ahead in towards the weekend, for Saturday itself, we still keep the high pressure the dominant feature. It is a little bit more decayed, and we have got the cold front just starting to feed in across the northern parts of the country, but generally it looks to be a fine start to the day for Saturday. So plenty of sunshine around, and we'll keep that sunshine through the day. There will be a little bit of cloud that starts to develop as the temperatures begin to pick up through the day itself, but really a fine day, plenty of sunshine and some really nice temperatures as well for this time of year, 15 or 16 degrees Celsius with a fairly light southwesterly wind, and that means that even if you're up on the Norfolk coast, temperatures should be very pleasant for the time of year as well. Looking in towards Sunday, we still have this area of high pressure, the dominant feature. We have got the cold front just starting to feed further southwards, but through the day on Sunday itself, we'll find that most of us stay dry, plenty of sunshine still with us, and temperatures still not too bad for the time of year as well. We'll find that for most of us, 15 or 16 degrees Celsius for Sunday. As we head through in towards the start of next week, we'll be behind that cold front, just a touch cooler for Monday itself, 11 degrees Celsius, and as that front comes further south, it is a lot weaker, but it could still bring in an isolated shower for Monday itself. But generally, things are set to stay dry as we head through in towards Tuesday and Wednesday. As we go through into the week, we'll find temperatures really not too bad, but nighttime temperatures will just be a touch cooler, especially as we head through into Monday, just a little bit cooler there. And that's it from me. Thank you, Jim. We can go one more time if you want, or if that's okay.
Jim's saying he's really happy with that.
Excellent. Oh, thank you for letting me doing it. It's brilliant. I always like doing this bit.
Can't hear you, Jim.
I can't hear Jim.